Hello everyone, I'm Fatih and I'm gonna solve this problem. This problem is related to the Growall Fertilizer Company. Produce three types of product. That name is Spargrow, Dipnalt and Soil Saver. For this company, there is a capacity of these products. It must be decrease and equal to 200 tons, and I put them these values here, and the other equalization is here. It's related to labor hour for company. For I will say that for Spargrow X1 and Dipnalt is X2 and Soil Saver is X3, and this labor hours is here. For X1 is 10 hours and X2 is 12 hours, and last one is 18 hours. This labor hours must decrease the 800 for a week. Another equalization related to again capacity, because this company has to produce some product, so that means X1, X2 and X3 must bigger than 0. The problem give us some goals. For example, the company does not want to spend over $20,000 per week on production, and the other one is X1 must 2 times important than X2, and X2 2 times important than X3, some like that. So I put the values on the Excel sheet. You see here my values, and this one is related to our solutions. You see the values lines. It was all of them was 0, and I used the solver, and you see the now different numbers. Okay, let's go the equalizations. You see the here left hand side and right hand side, and our equalizations. So our equalizations on for labor hour, 10x1 plus 12x2 plus 18x3 must decrease and equal to 800, and there is a function here. I used it Excel Turkish language one, and for English one we need to English version is we need to use some product function, and our value bottom, and you see the other values. It's related to labor hours must decrease the 800, and the other function is related with cost. For X1 we need the $800. For X2 we need the $1,500, and for X3 we need to $900. All of them must decrease. The $20,000. So must equality and decrease $2,000. And for this we need to use again B15 and D15, and the other part is B20 and D20. So another function related to again capacity. You see we use these functions. X1 plus X2 plus X3 decrease the 200s, and other function, the company says us to firstly, x1 must 2 times important than x2, and x2 2 times important than x3. So we need to say x1 is 1 and x2 is minus 2. So the other constraint 5s for related to x2, so we need to say x2 is 2 and x3 is minus 4. So let's go to solver part. You see the left hand side values and right hand side values. We need to read to Excel these tables. So click the solver and my functions is here. Our target bottom is E15 and you see the here we need to say left hand side values decrease and equal to right hand side values. So we need to say this one is on solver. You see E19 and E21 must equal and decrease G19 and G21. E19 here and G19 and 21 here. Okay, and after that we need to say equality the other ones. E22 and E23 here must equal to G22 and G23, and we need to click solve, and our values you see it here. Best options, the maximize the profit is when we produce x1 is 11 tons, and for x2 5 tons, and for x3 2 tons. Thank you for listening.